Calvin, hold it, Calvin, hold it.
To the top, I faith in the Lord. I remember back then when life wasn't easy. I remember digging, sitting full of cope stress. Better peer press, cause it from me, I'm studying shit. And my mama told me, Yana, put my pie, there's a better. Yana, full cool, scoop it, you're being. Songa kai, when I'm gone, Yana, wam, yes, I love you. Hi, mama, Gabunjani. Gotta tell the message, young Gabunjani. I miss you, I love you, mama, we are kaya. Yazingane hlezi khala zilifuna ma cela ubuye ma yazi ngiqeba uphethe isikolonyani na mama really just I wanna make you proud but you know here with us and ingane zakho sifuna ma wazo mama buye ekhaya 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 I did it. Ntwana yakhe isebenzile ifunda i-university and ilondoloza emva kwami nayo busy university. Yazi ntwana yakho mama kini yabi isebenzini. Mama angakhohlwa magcina nayo isebenzini and esikolweni bathi nayo kini ugqwesile. Mama yena uthandazile yena uphendulile thandazo yakhe ibusisiwe. Mama buye ekhaya, 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 mama buye ekhaya.